Are you looking to fill the gap in workforce management through people, process, and technology? Are you unable to handle the competition? Technirvana can provide you with flexible and innovative solutions to drive higher business performance. We at Technirvana can help you with people, process, and technology, and all this efficiently and at an optimized cost. Let's see how we can impact your business and how Technirvana can help you in attaining business growth. So, what's in it for me? The technical staff will be managed by Technirvana, but they will be dedicated to you as long as you want and the way you want, as if they were your own employees. You will be able to avoid unnecessary overheads and minimize operational costs, helping you focus on your core business activities, monitoring your temp staff, HR and payroll overheads, statutory compliance, medical insurance, and other employee benefits. Also, you can avoid big investments in large office spaces, infrastructure, and on upgradation and maintenance. In fact, all that you need to do is hire professionals that suit your temperament and leave the operational hassles to us. Depending upon your requirements, our dedicated hiring programs are available on hourly, part-time, and full-time basis. This is like having a workforce without the legal compliance and manpower overheads, and available at an optimized cost. We have over 14 years of experience in serving our clients across the world. Let's see how we do it. Finding and recruiting top talents for your workforce can be challenging, especially when hiring demands are complex, unpredictable, and variable by location. If not managed effectively, it could result in poor hiring decisions and therefore high staff turnover, cost increases, and an inability to meet the demands of your business. You need to recruit the right people in the right position at the right time. As your recruitment volume fluctuates to adjust to the business demand, we can flexibly manage the resources we provide so you pay only for what you need. And because the recruiters work with your team, they develop a deep understanding of your corporate culture and values, and you get 100% of the attention. Additionally, our proprietary processes and assessment tools ensure that we find the very best candidate, which increases the process efficiency and improves the organization's competitive advantage. We do all the legwork and you make all the decisions. Finally, you will see reduced staff turnover, reduced time to hire, and more time to focus on your core business activities.